morning students, let us revise the previous class. So in the last class we learned about the properties of rational number properties of rational number for the basic operation, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In the last class clearly learned well about the properties of rational number for the basic operation, multiplication and division. Okay, I hope you are all understand the concepts. Okay, you are not having any doubt, I think so. Okay, so now we move to the related exercise now. Exercise 1.2. First one, find the multiplicative inverse of each of the following. Find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means it's right in the reciprocal. It's right in a reciprocal. So first option, minus 3 is given. What is the reciprocal of 3? 1 by 3. So here negative value is given, put in the side. So that is a reciprocal. Okay, so multiplicative inverse of minus 3 is minus 1 by 3. Okay, and B1, say the answer for the B1. So what is the reciprocal of 2 by 3? So multiplicative inverse of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Okay, and C1, multiplicative inverse of which value is given? Minus 8 into minus 3 by 4 is given. Okay, it cancel in 4 table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So minus into minus plus 2 threes are 6. So the given number is 6. It can written in the reciprocal, is it? So what is the reciprocal of 6? It is 1 by 6. So reciprocal of 6 is 1 by 6. And D, so multiplicative inverse of, here also one of the two rational number is given, minus 4 by 9 into 27 by 28. In 9 table, 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 4 ones are 4, 4 sevens are 28. So answer is minus 3 by 7. So given number is minus 3 by 7. So what is the reciprocal? The inverse value needed, is it? So minus 3 by 7 can written as the multiplicative inverse is minus 7 by 3. Minus 7 by 3. Okay. Next one. Second problem. Write the name of the property used in each of the following. Write the name of the property. See the first one, A. So given property is distributive property of multiplication over addition. So first one is answer is distributive property of multiplication over addition. and second one B 4 by 9, next one write in the reciprocal, we get the 1 value. So that is the inverse of multiplication, inverse of multiplication. Second one answer is inverse, inverse of multiplication. And C, so clearly observe from the C problem, commutative, is it? Commutative property of multiplication. Commutative property of multiplication. Okay, and D, associative property. Clearly observe from the given D problem, associative property, associative property of multiplication. Okay. And next, third problem, verify the commutative property of the multiplication for the following rational numbers. So third, first subdivision, the two rational numbers are minus 3 by 11 and minus 5 by 9. So, commutative property of multiplication, is minus 3 by 11 plus minus 5 by, so multiplication is given, in this place put the product, minus 5 by 9 is equal to minus 5 by 9 into minus 3 by 11. Okay, so simplify, minus into minus, first write the sign, minus into minus plus, 3 5s are 15, 11 9s are 99. Here also multiply, minus into minus plus, 5 3s are 15, 9 11s are 99. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is satisfy the commutative property of multiplication. The given two rational numbers satisfy the, it is satisfy the commutative property of multiplication, okay. And next one, so B is homework, B problem in third one, B subdivision is homework, okay. And next one, fourth problem, first one, first subdivision, for each of the following rational number, check that x is divided by y is not equal to y is divided by x. So first one, given x equal to 7 by 4, y is equal to 35 by 48 is given. So substitute in this equation. So x divided by y is equal to, we have considered the left hand side. X divided by y is equal to x value is 7 by 4 divided by y value is 35 by 48. Already you know that how to divide the rational number. So first of all change the division sign. So division sign change to multiplication, and next one of the rational number can written in the reciprocal. So 48 by 35, it cancel in 7 table, 7 ones are 7, 7 fives are 35, 1 fours are 4, 1 fours are 4, 1 2 fours are 8, 2 fours are 8. So answer is 12 by 5 is the answer for left hand side. Now consider the right hand side. Right hand side is y divided by x is equal. Right hand side y divided by x is equal to y value was 35 by 48 divided by x value is 7 by 4. 7 by 4. So as usual division of a rational number, change the operation and to write the reciprocal of the second rational number is 4 by 7. It's also cancel in 5 table, 7 table, 5 times of 7 is 35, 4 table, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So answer is 5 by 12. Check the equation number 1 and 2, we get left hand side is not equal to right hand side, is it? So left hand side is not equal to, here right from 1 and 2 we get left hand side is not equal to right hand side. Okay, so hence verified y is divided by x is divided by y is not equal to y is divided by x is verified. Okay, so second B problem is homework in the fourth one. Now move to fifth problem. Verify the property x into y into z. Associative property is given. X into y into z. Verify the property, and given the x values are, x value is 3 by 11, y value is fifth problem, x value is minus 7 by 8, y value is minus 4 by 7, z value is 7 by 9. Left hand side, x into y into z. So what is the x value? Minus 7 by 8 into y value is minus 4 by 7 into 7 by 9. These two numbers will be cancelled because it's in 7 table. Minus 7 by 8 into minus 4 by 9. It's also cancelled in 4 table, is it? 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Now multiply the numerator, minus into minus plus, 7 ones are 7, the denominator is 2 nines are 18. So left hand side value is 7 by 18. Now consider the right hand side, x into y into z is equal to, x value is minus 7 by 8, and y value is minus 4 by 7 into z value is 7 by 9. So 7 will be cancelled. 4 table, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So minus into minus plus, plus 1 by 9, 2. Here 2 only there, into 7 by 9. So into 7 by 9. So now multiply the numerator, 1 7s are 7 and denominator 2 9s are 18. So it is denoted by 2. This equation is denoted by 1. From 1 and 2, both are equal, is it? So from 1 and 2, we get x into y into z. The associative property of multiplication satisfies the given number, is it? So that is the result. X into y into z is verified. Sixth problem. So fifth B is homework. Verify the property, distributive property of multiplication of under the addition is given. So x into y plus z equal to x into y plus x into z is given. Okay. The given x value is 3 by 11, y value is minus 11 by 15 and z value is 2 by 9. Z value is 2 by 9. So as usual, consider the left hand side. X into y plus z. Substitute the value in this place of x. It's 3 by 11 into y value is minus 11 by 15 plus 2 by 9. Z value is 2 by 9. So first simplify the first preference to the bracket value. So first of all simplify this bracket value. Here two different signs in the denominator. Here 15 and here 2 unlike fractions are given. 2 unlike fractions are given. So in this place you should find out the LCM. LCM of 15 and 9 is 45, is it? So 15 3s are 45 and 9 5s are 45. So 3 by 11 into LCM of 9 and 15 is 45. So minus 11 by 15. 15, which number you want to multiply in the denominator? We get the value of 45 3 times. So that same number multiply numerator also. Okay. Plus 2 by 9 into which number denominator multiply? We get the value of 45 5. The same number, so multiply the numerator. Okay. So 3 by 11 into minus 33. 11 3s are 33. The denominator value is 45 plus 2 5s are 10, 9 5s are 45. Now both term will be changed to like fractions. So we can easy to add the numerator, is it? So 3 by 11 into minus 33 plus 10 divided by 45. So 3 by 11 into subtract 33 plus 10, two different sign will come. So subtract and put the greater number sign. Subtract 33 minus 10 is 23. The greater number sign is negative. So minus 23 by 45. Now multiply directly. So multiplication is the 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. So 69 minus 69 divided by 45 into 11. 45 into 11. So 45, 495. 495. Can you cancel in the 3 table in this place? Yes. Is this possible? Listen. So 3 will be cancelled in 45. So 3 ones are 3. Remaining 1. So 15. 3 5s are 15. So now multiply. Minus 23 by 15 11s are 15. Again 15. So 5, 6, 165. So answer is minus 23 divided by 165 is denoted the equation number 1. Okay. Now right hand side, x into y plus x into z is equal to, say x value here 3 by 11 into y value is minus 11 by 15. Minus 11 by 15 plus x value is 3 by 11 into z value is 2 by 9. Okay. It's cancel in 11 table, it's also cancel in 3 table, 3 5s are 15. Here 3 table, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, that's all. So cancellation is enough. So now multiply the numerator, minus 1 divided by 5 plus, here 1 2s are 2, 11 3s are 33. So now multiply. So denominator 2 unlike fractions are got it, is it? So here find out the LCM of 5 and 35. What is the LCM of 5 and 33? Here find out the LCM of 5 and 33. LCM of 5 and 33 is, that is the value 15, 5 3s are 15, 165. So 165. So in this place the denominator multiplied by 33, the same number multiply the numerator also. Here now write minus 33. Here 2 is there, is it? Here also 2. Okay. So minus 33 plus 10 divided by 165. 165. So equation number 2. From 1 and 2 we get x into y plus z is equal to x into y plus x into z is verified. Okay. So B is second subdivision, B is homework, and seventh one A and B is also homework, because it's the same property, distributive property of multiplication under the addition is given. Okay. So 6th B and 7th A and B are the homeworks. Okay. Now we are going to see the next one of the concept, representation of rational number on a number line. representation of a rational number on a number line. Here three types of fractions are there. One is let us see the representation of a rational number on a number line. Here three types of fraction, already we know that. Which are the types? Proper fraction, improper fraction, improper fraction, mixed fraction. Proper fraction means the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper fraction means numerator is greater than the denominator. And mixed fraction means whole number with improper fraction. Whole number with improper fraction. Is it? Two improper fraction. First of all, listen. For example, proper fraction. Let us consider the example 7, 3 by 6 is one of the proper fraction. Every proper fraction lies between 0 and 1, lies between the interval 0 and 1. First draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2. Okay. In case the given fraction, given rational number is proper fraction, it should lies between the interval 0 and 1. Are we clear? The proper fraction lies between lies between 0 and 1. Okay. And next one, improper fraction. Improper fraction. Improper fraction, this lies between above of the 1 and 2. Okay. So, one or negative values. Above of the number 1 are the negative values of minus 1. And mixed fraction is given. First of all, change to the improper fraction. First to change the improper fraction. After follow the improper fraction procedures. Okay. Right. Now see the number line. So first see the example for the proper fraction. That is a irrational number. Proper rational number is given. Okay. So let us consider number B 3 by 6. Okay. 3 by 6. 3 by 6 is a proper fraction. 3 by 6 is a proper fraction. So, in this place, we will put the center as O, and then in this place put 1, need not to other numbers, because what is the condition for the proper fraction? It should lies between 0 and 1 only. Okay. So, other numbers need not to put in a number line. Okay. Right. So, now divide denominator, divide in 6 parts, 6 equal parts. So, the denominator is 6. So, the line number line 0 and 1 divide in equal 6 equal parts, 6 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay. So, as usual write in the fractions 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6, 6 by 6 means it's a 1. The value is 1. Okay. So, now mark the value 3 by 6. Where is 3 by 6? That's all. This is a rational number for the proper fraction. Okay. Next one, improper fraction is given. Improper fraction. Let us consider the rational number being 7 by 3. For example, 7 by 3 we have considered. Okay. As usual, here put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Okay. How do you change? What is the rule? Improper fraction is given, change to mixed fraction. Improper fraction is given, change to mixed fraction. Okay. Change to mixed fraction. So, what is a mixed fraction here? 7 by 3. Already you know that how do you calculate? Okay. So, 3, 2s are 6, 2, 1 by 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 by 3. So, the rational number lies between the interval 2 and 3. Clearly we have observed the whole number is 3. Sorry, whole number is 2. The whole number is 2. Okay. The remaining parts 1 by 3 is given. Okay. So, the number lies between these two interval of 2 and 3. Okay. Next, so 3 in between of these two in 2 and 3 divide in equal 3 parts. Here 1 by 3 is given. Okay. So, equally divide in 3 parts, 1, 2, 3. The first part is denoted 1 by 3 and second part denoted 2 by 3. Third part 3 by 3 means consider to 1. Okay. So, 2, 1 by 3. 2, 1 by 3. The value of 2, 1 by 3 and a number line is in this place. Okay. I hope you all understand the rational number is proper fraction is improper fraction is given, change to the mixed fraction. In case mixed fraction is given, you will directly write, is it? Mixed fraction is given. Mixed fraction 2, 1 by 5 is given. What we do? Two 1 by 5. Directly given. Mixed fraction is directly given. How do you plot in a number line? As usual, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1. Okay. So, 2 here. So, in between of 2 and 3 divided in 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, first part denote 1 by 5. Second part 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5 we will get the value of 3. Is it? So, now mark 2 1 by 5. 2 after 1 by 5. So, the value of 2 1 by 5 mark in the place. Okay, I hope you all understand the concept of representation of a rational number on a number line. Okay, so proper fraction is given, it should lies between the, okay, it should lies between the interval 0 and 1 only. Okay, so improper fraction or mixed fraction is given, improper fraction is given, you will change to the mixed fraction, afterwards you will draw like this. Okay, first of all find out the which interval that number or lies, first find out, after the remaining fractional part divide in the between of number, after plot the given rational number. The same method follow for the mixed fraction also. I hope you all understand the concept of rational number plotting on a number line. Okay, next one, how do you compare the rational number? How do you compare the rational number without number line? Without number line. Comparison of rational number without a number line. Without a number line. Number line la போட்டு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க தெரியும் அப்படிதானே. So without number line, so it's based on three methods. It's based on three methods. First one, comparing the numerators, okay, and denominators, that like. Okay, so first one, rational number with same numerator, same numerator. Second one, rational number with same denominator, same denominator. And third one, rational number with different denominator and numerator. Numerator or denominator. Okay, so different denominator and numerator. First of all, see the rational number with the same numerator. So numerator are same. For example, numerator are same. So numerator 7 by 8 and 7 by 6. Let us, we have considered the example for the first one, rational number with the same numerator. So here the numerator are same. How do you compare which one is greatest one? Which one is greatest one? First of all, so numerator are same, then we have compare the denominator. Here the denominator value is 8 is greater value, is it, than the 6, greater than the 6. So the greater value of the numerator in a fraction is smaller value, in a fraction is smaller value. So which one is here greatest value? 7 by 8 is greater than 7 by 6. Sorry, 7 by 8 is less than the 7 by 6. 7 by 8 is less than the 7 by 6 is a correct one. Okay. Do you understand? That they compare the denominators. So, which one is greatest value? 8. So, integers, the greatest value is 8. In fraction, in rational number, compare with 7 by 8 and 7 by 6. Which one is smallest value? 7 by 8 is the smallest value. Smallest value. Okay. And next one. Rational number with the same denominator. Same denominator means denominator are same. 3 by 8 and 5 by 8. What we do? You can easy to write. Compare the numerator. Which one is greatest one? 5 is the greatest one. Compare the numerator. 3 is less than the 5. So, the fraction of 3 by 8 is less than 5 by 8. Less than 5 by 8 is the greatest value. Okay. So, example for the rational number with the same denominator. And next one, the rational number with different denominator and numerator. So, both are different values. See the example, 3 by 4, here 5 by 6. Here numerator are different, denominator different. This to compare these two numerator different, denominator also different. What we do in this place, as usual, we have take the LCM. Okay. So, what is the LCM of 4 and 6? It's 24. 4 and 6 is 24. So, first of all, find out the LCM for the first rational number. 3 by 4 into which number multiply where we get the value of 24? 6. So, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24. Okay. Now, consider the next one of the rational number, 5 by 6 into which number want to multiply in by 6? 4. We get the value of 24, is it? So, 6 4s are 24, 5 4s are 20. Now, denominator are same. Already you know that how do you write in the denominator are same. How do you write which one is greatest value, is it? So, compare these two values, 18 by 24 and 20 by 24. Which one is greatest one? 20 by 24 is greatest one. That is 18 by 24 is less than 20 by 24. That is a rational number with the difference denominator and numerator is given. You will do like this. I hope you all understand the concept of without a number line. How do you compare the rational numbers? Okay. Now, see the example problems. Example 1. Compare the following. Compare. Here ask the compare. Already you know that comparative. 3 types of comparative. One is the numerator are same. Second one is denominator are same. Third one is different numerator and denominator. Okay. So, see here the first one 3 by 7 and 3 by 8 is given. So, numerator are same. So, compare the denominator. So, compare the denominator. Comparing the denominator. Which one is greatest one? 7 is less than 8. Okay, 7 is less than 1. So in a rational number, which one is greatest value? 3 by 7 is the greatest value, is it? Greater than the 3 by 8. That's all. Okay. And second one, B. 8 by 11. Here also the same one, is it? Which one is greatest? Comparing the denominator. Comparing the denominator, 11 is greater than the 9. Greater than the 9. So which one is greatest value in a rational number? Therefore, 8 by 11 is less than the 8 by 9. Okay. And next is C problem. Minus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 12. See here, minus 3 by 12 will be cancelled in 3 table, is it? So, our given problem is minus 1 by 4 and minus 1 by 4. So, solution of this value is both are equal. So, given minus 1 by 4 is equal to minus 3 by 12. Both are equal. Both are equal. Example 2, A problem 6 by 7, 5 by 7, and B1 minus 6 by 11, 5 by 11. And C problem 4 by 12, 1 by 3. Okay. Compare. So, comparing the denominator are same. Denominator are same. The numerator the 6 is greater than 5. Therefore, which 6 by 7 is greater than 5 by 7. Is it? Already we learned the rules. Okay, ma. And next B. The denominator. The here also the same one. Denominator are same. So same one. Comparing the numerator. Comparing the numerator. What we get? Here also the same one. Comparing the numerator. So minus 6. Which one is greatest value? 5 is greatest value. Here minus 6 is very smallest number. Okay. So therefore the rational number is minus 6 by 11 is less than 5 by 11. Less than 5 by 11. Here negative value is given. Okay, carefully do. Here negative value is given. So compare with 5, which is very smallest one. It is very smallest one. So minus 6 divided by 11 is less than or equal to 5 by 11 is the correct one. Okay. And then fifth C, 4 by 12 and 1 by 3. Here also the two different signs, two different fractions are given. Unlike fractions are given. So in this place you want to take the LCM of 12 and 3. Before of these numbers, 4 by 12 will be cancelled in 4th table, is it? 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are 2. So both numbers are same. Both numbers are same. Therefore, 4 by 12 is equal to 4 by 3. 4 by 12 is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Okay, next one of the example 3. Compare 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. Two different denominator and different numerator is given. Okay. Comparing 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. Okay. So, compare 2 by 3 and example 3, correct. Compare 2 by 3 and 5 by 7. Here the numerator are vary and the denominator also vary. What we do in this place? Take the LCM. So, LCM of 3 and 7 is 21. So, first consider the first rational number 2 by 3 into which number multiply the denominator, we get the value of 21, 7. That number want to multiply the numerators. Okay. So, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21. Let us consider the next one of the rational number be 5 by 7 into which number multiply 7, 3. So, 5 3s are 15, 7 3s are 21. Now, we have the two denominator, the rational number of two rational number, the denominator are same, like fractions are given. Okay. Now, we can easy to identify, compare the rational numbers easily, is it? So, 14 by 21, here 15 by 21. Which one is greatest one? So, 14 by 21 is less than 15 by 21, less than 15 by 21. That is following. Okay, compare the following. So, the method is different. Okay, if I will do the first option A, minus 3 by 7 minus 4 by 9. In this place we will do the LCM, is it? Because two different denominators and numerator, take the LCM, after calculate the value and which one is greatest I will find out, is it? Here another one of the method, first write these two values minus 4 by 9, cross multiply the given two rational numbers. So, minus 3 into 9, what we do? Multiply. Okay. Minus 3 into 9 is 27 equal to 7 4s are minus 28. Minus into minus, sorry, minus into plus minus, here also minus into plus is minus. So, minus 27 is equal to minus 28. Here which one is greatest value? Since minus 27 is greater value, is it? Greater than the minus 28. Minus 28. So, minus 27, which value is that? Minus 3 by 7 is greater than minus 28 means minus 4 by 9. This is another one of the method. Okay. B value. Another one of the option B, problem B, 6 by 11 and 18 by 33 is given. So, the same method, 6 by 11 into, sorry, 6 by 11 divided by 18 by 33, cross multiply. So, 33 6 are 198. Here also multiply 198. Both values are equal. Both values are equal. Therefore, 6 by 11 is equal to 18 by 33. That's all. Okay. Example 5. Okay, ascending order, descending order we will see in the next class. Okay, thank you students.